Hello guys, good morning. So let's make some breakfast guys. I'm going to make croissant. Kain tayo. This is my breakfast. I have 2 croissants and coffee. Hola, thank you, gracias.
Muchas gracias, Sheila.
Adiós.
¿Todo bien?
Sí, súper bien. Recordemos tanto con los ejercicios. Que paséis un súper buen día.
Nos sobran las 4 horas.
Aquí.
Chao.
Can we stay here?
Pensamos que era foto. Mira, beto.
Kiss daddy.
Beto.
Kiss daddy. Kiss
Beto.
So beautiful, my flowers, isn't it? Beautiful, beautiful. Hello everyone. So I am preparing what I want guys for lunch is budol fight. Yes, I really miss budol fight. Wala kaming ano dito guys, saging, dahon ng saging. So ang gamitin namin ay aluminum foil. Yes, so guys, we have here, yes, we have these big prawns. Yes, so ito guys, parang dami namin kakain, no? 4 lang naman kami. So we have 4 fish here, 1, 2, 3. But I think I'm going to cook only 1. Yes, isa lang guys ang lutuin ko because yun nga, 4 lang kami tapos hindi rin naman sila malakas kumain. And we also have these mussels and guys, pusit. So yan, and we also have chicken and I'm going to cook pakbet also guys. Yes, so yun lang guys ang aming handa. Budol fight. Yun lang ang i-budol fight natin. And Hailey, hi.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Okay guys, so magluto na ako. Kain na tayo guys. So Lakota is enjoying this kind of food. Look. Yes. Yummy. And Hailey, yes. Hailey. And Daddy, you can sit, Daddy. You can sit. You can take the chair. Kain na tayo, guys. Dami nga, hindi? Let mommy arrange your hair. Yeah, see? Mandaras niyo, see? ito yung mga natira, guys. We didn't touch the fish. And we also have mussels, shrimps, and chicken wings. Yes, so, ayun, guys. Ayun. Ang sarap. Masarap, Daddy?
Masarap.
So, we didn't finish the food, guys.
For tomorrow.
For tomorrow, though. So, this is my birthday cake, guys. Lakota started to eat already. Hi, Lakota! Wait, Lakota, you have to eat first. Eat then. Very good.
¿Obro? Uy, una copa, que si pesa, pues haremos.
Hooray!
¡Hooray! La festa, ¿eh?
Esta será para la mamá.
Yes.
Porque la...
Thank you!
Escolta, mira, papá. Aquí, papá.
Papa!
¿Qué pasa, la gota? ¿Qué pasa?
No!
Video.
Lakota!
Video.
Record the video. No, you cannot take it. You cannot blow it. Where's the mosca?
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, mommy.
Thank you. Lakota once more.
Mamá.
Ya vas a acabar, Magota.
Mamá.
¿Bien?
Mamá,
Ole!
Bravo! Clapping hands.
Mamá, kota.
Cheers! Now cheers!
Cheers.
Cheers, Lakotas!
Así la puta que sí. Gafa de que no cae.
Cheers!
Cheers. Muy
Ako na
bien.
dito ka. Ako na!
Bravo.
No sa tanto rat lang.
No.
For you guys.
Yay! The Amazon arrived
Pause,
arrived
que solo
today,
sigo.
guys.